Alright, so we want to look at one variable statistics, mean, standard deviation, variance, and all that stuff that goes with it. So I'm going to do the 2016 Chicago Cubs salary. I'm going to put it in millions, so 25, 17.5, so that we don't have a whole bunch of zeros. So first, we will do the Inspire. So again, Control I. We want to do lists and spreadsheet. That's where we're going to put all our data. So we need to make sure that we get used to that. I already have it open, so I'm just going to choose that. Put in our data. We have 35 pieces of data. Then we can do it a couple different places, but we can just do it right in this place. So menu, statistics, stat calculations, and one variable statistics. Number of lists, it's telling us our X list is B1, or you can put in Cubs. Result column, put it in D, and don't touch anything else. We have our mean, standard deviation, sample standard deviation. We're not using this standard deviation. We're not going to talk about this yet. We have our number of pieces of the data, 35 players. We got our minimum, our Q1, median, Q3, and maximum. So we have a lot of good information. We don't have variance, but we would take 6.01 and square that. We can also, if you do Control I in a calculator page, menu, statistics, stat calculations, and one variable statistics, and we can get all the same stuff, and maybe it's a little bit easier to read. If we want to go back in between pages, you hit Control and then you can arrow over. So I didn't say that before, but that's how we can do that. Now if we're using the 84, we want to go to Stat, Edit, put in our lists. I'm going to use the second list here. That's the same Cubs data in millions. Then second quit so we can get to this page. Stat and calc, so calculations. One variable statistics. We have to put what list because we have two. So second stat will give us the list, and we want L2. And now it gives us all the same stuff. We have X bar, we have standard deviation, sample standard deviation, not sigma. We got minimum, Q1, median, Q3, maximum. All the same stuff. Nice and neat without a whole lot of extra work.